Good morning. Today is Sunday and I just woke up. I've had my bath already and I'm ready for today because today is going to be so stressful, so hectic for me because we have plans. You guys already know that I moved. I've been shouting that in my past videos already. So this video is basically all about me redecorating or decorating, settling down, putting some things in order and all. So yeah, that's basically what the video is going to be about. So it's like apartment updates, because guys, I don't want to say this is a furnished apartment and at the same time I don't want to say this is not a furnished apartment, so I'm just going to put it like somewhere in the middle. So this is like a semi-furnished apartment because when I got in here I had like the necessities, like there was a bed, there was a mattress, chairs and all, and that's it. But other important things I didn't have them at all. Like I didn't have a dressing table in my room. What else? I didn't have like really important things, like just little things that okay you can use to live, but not like the important things. So I decided to decorate. So I already got a few pieces. In fact, I have been, you guys, let me just start by saying, like, this new place, I really love it a lot. Apart from the fact that it's really far from the world, like from here to Dubai Mall is like 45 minutes. When I tried driving there last time, I almost cried because it was so far. But apart from that, everything is just really beautiful. It's an estate, so there's basically everything I need. There's a grocery store inside the estate, so checked. There's also a pet store for Drake, so checked. There's also like a salon where I can do my nails and all of that. So I really don't have to go out every now and then, except I have like friends in Dubai who they just want to chill and we just want to hang out, and fine. But if nothing warrants me to go out, then why am I going out? So like, it's still very chill for me. So I really do like this place. It's very peaceful and it feels super homely, very quiet, you know, everything is just really dope. So now the places that I really want to, that's Drake by the way, the places that I really want to redecorate and touch, they're like 3 important spaces that I want to design by myself because they're like very empty. Number 1 is my bedroom where I am right now. What I have here is just a bed, that's it, and nightstand, that's it. Nothing else, nothing came with this room at all. Then also my entryway, because when someone is coming to my apartment, that's the first place that you're going to see, so I want to make that place very attractive. My entryway, and also my home office, which is very important because I have been so lazy. I've been sleeping on the bed. Whenever I decide to walk on the bed, I always end up sleeping, so I really need to get my home office sorted out like ASAP. I'm going to do my entryway today. Then after my entryway, I'm going to come back upstairs and sort out my bedroom because I just got a dresser from IKEA, so I just want to put everything in place. I'm very excited for this place. This is everything I got, guys. I went shopping a lot. Anyways, just so you know, this is the side of my apartment I want to turn into my home office. This little corner, it's not like a bedroom or anything, just like a small space in my living room. So basically it's from here to here, which I feel is enough for what I want to do. I just need like a little space to myself, and this is it. So I got this I got a lot of things. I shopped from 3 places. I shopped from IKEA, H&M Homes, and Zara Homes. So like this one now, this is from Zara Home. As you can see, this is what do they call this thing again? This is a home fragrance. This is a diffuser or something.
Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money, she break grass real fast.
I only got 3 of these. I got a very small one. I got all of these things from H&M Home. I love, like, whenever I see it on people's vlogs and people's homes, I'm always like, okay, no, I need to get this for myself. And I ordered for 3. All these 3, they came from H&M Home. So, and I really love it a lot. Like, it's so aesthetic. Like, it's beautiful. So this one, I'm thinking of putting this one here because I feel like it's more balanced than this one. This one would be in my home office, and this one will also be probably in my home office or in my bedroom. I don't know yet. Then I also got this fragrance, this black fragrance from H&M Home. Also, it goes with everything, plus the diffuser that I got from Zara. I got that diffuser from Zara actually. I'm going to put them here. As you can see, it's coming together. I like it already. But the only problem that I'm going to have right now is my mirror, because there's nobody that's going to help me set up that mirror, because I don't have actually I have a hammer in this house, but I don't know why I kept it.
Keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you took it all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Show me how you jiggle. Pick it up. Why you trying to find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like when you sit when you take it up?
Guys, I'm done with this place, but the only thing left for me is this mirror. I got this mirror from Zara Home, and I love this mirror. I love this mirror because it's black and it just fits the vibe of this place, like the aesthetic vibe of this place, because everything you see here mostly I got them, like I made sure that they were black and white with this mirror. So let's find a handyman online, so the person should probably come maybe this evening or tomorrow morning to help me set up this mirror. So I quickly want to go and get something to eat because I'm starving. I want to get groceries, and I also want to get something to eat because I actually found a handyman online now that will help me fix my mirror in the entryway, and the guy said he will come by 12. So before he gets here, I just want to quickly rush to the grocery store, get food and also get groceries because I don't have anything in that fridge at all, and also get food for Drake because he also does not have food and all. That's what I want to do now. I just hope my camera does not fall. Baby, corner. Do you give me sugar? Wala. Yeah,
central to me. I'm just hoping I don't beat history. I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday to make a lot of love on Monday. Down there, you know, no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Switching
Okay, I'm officially done. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I'm hungry. And I just did 2 spaces in this house, and I'm this tired, but I love the way this turned out. Let me start from here. This is my favorite part. Okay, this is my room. Obviously, this is like my favorite part. I love this part. Just so you know, guys, I have like 2 mirrors in this room. Actually, I have 4 mirrors in general. I have 2 upstairs and I have 2 downstairs. This side, I put my perfume collection here. As you can see, I got a very big bowl because I still have plans of filling these spaces, but for now this is what I have. So I've actually updated it from last time. You guys know that I didn't have some of the perfumes that are here now. For example, I just got Kayali. I think I got Kayali Musk yesterday. In fact, this is my favorite Kayali fragrance. I don't know, people like Sweet Diamond, but this is the one I like, Musk, a lot. Then I also got YSL a long time ago. Then I got Lancome a long time ago. Then I got this yesterday, and guys, this is my favorite scent in this whole collection. Well, apart from my babies, just put my babies aside, which is my own brand, but every other thing that I have here, this is my favorite. I love this scent a lot. In fact, I love it more than this one. And people always rave about this. This is not bad. I really like this a lot. This is very sweet, very floral, very delicious. I love this a lot. But yo, when I got this, I became obsessed. Anyways, when you move over here, I decided to put the makeup that I use all the time here. The thing is, this is actually annoying me because I really wanted here to be empty. Like, I didn't want anything to be here. I wanted to put everything here, but at the end of the day, these things, they can't fit into this place, so I had to put them here. So here are my powders that I use most of the time. Laurent Mercier, Fenty, Urban Decay, MAC, and the rest. And here I put my foundation, the foundations that I use all the time, and the concealers that I use all the time, and my cream blush. And here I tried to put my lipsticks, my lip glosses, and my primers, and my setting spray here. Then here, please you guys, forgive these dirty beauty blenders. I'm going to take care of them when I'm done settling down. But my beauty blenders are here, and my eye pencils are here, and some lipsticks and all that. Then I have my shadows here, the eyeshadows that I use. I also have other eyeshadows here when I open it. But then I got this from IKEA. I got this. I love this. It fits a lot with the dressing table. This mirror that you see here is also from IKEA. Okay, this dressing table, I already said, it's from IKEA. You guys already know this chair. I was using this chair in my former apartment. I just brought it down here with me. It's also from IKEA. Then when you open here, I have all my hair things here, my Got2b, my rollers, everything I have to do with my hair, my gels and everything, conditioner, shampoo, everything here. Then here I have like my room spray, my combs. I have my speaker. I call this speaker makeup speaker because I always use it whenever I want to do my makeup. So I put it here. So when it's time for me to do my makeup, I just put it on the desk and that's it. I enjoy music and all. Then here I have my jewelries here, my small jewelry collection here, and I put all my brushes here. All my brushes are here. I also need to wash these brushes also. Then I have my lashes here, my lash set, from 2 brands actually, from Keola Beauty and from Lily Lashes. Keola Beauty is actually a Nigerian brand and I love their lashes. I have been using it a lot. Then this is from Lily Lashes. I don't know where they are from, but Lily Lashes is also very nice. I decided to put this mirror. You guys know my mirror now from my former apartment. I decided to put this mirror here. I decided to put my mirror next to the window this time around so that I could get very dope light whenever the sun, because the sun comes in from here. Well, I think it's because it's summer. Probably during winter it's going to come in from the back, which is going to pain me, but still I still have another mirror there, so it's still dope. I got this art from IKEA, these 2. I bought like 6 of these. I have 4 in the living room and the remaining 2 I put it here. This rug, I also got this rug from IKEA, the center rug. Just put it here, make it nice and all. This is my wardrobe, guys. There's nothing too fancy about it. This is my wardrobe. I think I'm actually done organizing it, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah, I haven't shown you guys this part. I have a small patio here. I'm not going to touch this place till it's winter. Coming into my apartment, and this is what you're seeing. Like, this is so pretty. This one I got from H&M. I already said this. I got this from IKEA. I also got this table from IKEA. I got this. What I got this? Wait. This is like I just got this thing so that I'll be able to put important things, like things that I usually forget a lot. I decided to put it here. For example, I have my mask here. Car keys here, lighter here, my watch. I may be wondering why did I put a watch here. It's because I'm trying to learn how to wear a watch, so I don't want to always like forget it. So I put it here so that when I'm grabbing my key, I'm grabbing my watch at the same time. There are a few coins here. Then I also have this home fragrance I got this one from Zara Home, I mentioned before, but I got this candle from H&M Homes. As you guys can see, I actually made everything like black, like the theme here black, because of this table. I wanted it to match my table, and also wanted it to match the mirror there. Then this area is like where you have the white things and all of that. So under here I put Drake's leash here because I'm trying to be walking him every morning or every evening, so his leash is here so I don't like forget where I put it. Then down here I put a small shoe rack. This shoe rack is from IKEA actually. I put it here so that I'll have my going out slippers, like just going out to throw the bin or just going out to take a stroll. This is my going out slippers, so when I come in I just put it here. Or whenever I have visitors, they don't need to put their shoes outside, they just remove their shoes and they just put it here. That's it. So I'm so happy that I finished. I thought I wasn't going to finish today, and this is actually 3 p.m. so I did try. Like, I tried a lot because I actually thought I won't finish, but I finished my bedroom and the entryway. So I'm going to start with the home office, with or without my iMac. I'm excited. I'm going to do like a full-ass video for that one alone, just that one alone, because I just can't wait for that one. Hopefully it comes out nice. Hopefully. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will know that people actually enjoy my content. Okay, so like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm ending the vlog here because I'm exhausted and I want to go and eat proper food and sleep. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying.